gabi sa ating lahat. Yung una kong tanong, ano yung thinking ninyo tungkol sa freedom of information? At ano yung konkretong nagawa ng inyong grupo para ipaglaban ito? So, yeah.
Ayan, Sir Jermino, ito yung question 1 dun sa ating degraded. Okay. Paalala lang. Sino gusto mo ulit? Okay.
Kaysa na lang. Since, alright, first and foremost, we need freedom of information. Kitang-kita the administration has withheld so many things from the Filipino people and continue to repress our media, time and time again. But, what freedom of information do we need now? What we need is genuine freedom of information, not a watered-down bill that continues to provide excuses, licenses the government to withhold information that is crucial to the Eskwela ng Bayan, crucial to the Filipino people. What we also want is a freedom of information law that in fact is retroactive, that provides light and sheds light regarding the incidents past, and that is not only going to be used for perfect timing to withhold information regarding Mama Sapana, for example. With a retroactive FOI, we can know more about the incidents past, and this is truly the genuine FOI. Thank you.
So to fully answer the question, actually it's in our constitution, it's enshrined there, that every citizen has a right to information, to access information of matters of public concern. The problem is, even though it's in our Bill of Rights, it's in our constitution, there's no enabling law. So there's no way for us to define what information ay dapat sakop dito. There's no way for us to define how we can get this information. In Alianza, we've always advocated for the People's Freedom of Information Law or the People's Freedom of Information Bill. Actually, nag-head nga tayo ng Freedom of Information Youth Initiative, the only national network of freedom of information youth advocates. And we really advocate for an FOI that is not just liberating when it comes to giving us the information that we need, but that is constitutionally sound. We don't need an FOI that will give us information, for example, that will reveal private information and give it into the hands of individuals that can use it for their advantage. Do we need information na pwedeng makuha ng mga terrorists, for example, at gamitin nila against the citizens? What we need is an intelligent version of the freedom of information that has the right safeguards to protect us from any abuses of information, but more than that, that defines how we can access that information, such as a FOI manual na nakasaad naman sa People's FOI. And for these past years, we've headed the FOI Youth Initiative. So, in summary, that's how we answer the question on our stand on the freedom of information. Thank you very much.
May respond ba from standing leaders sa Alianza?